Hello and welcome to my channel, Zippo Lion's Den. Today I'm going to show you something a little bit different. Though it resembles a Zippo, it really isn't a Zippo. It is actually a knockoff. I have it in a regular box anyway, because, how else are you going to store it decent? But there are many fake Vietnam lighters out there, and this happens to be one of them. I got it because I wanted one for my collection, and I thought this one called out to me when I saw how it was engraved. As you can see, like a lot of the Vietnam lighters that were used in the Vietnam War, it has the country of Vietnam engraved on it with, the locations of some of the key cities of the country. I don't know if you're able to tell, but that is not the true bottom stamp. It's been kind of engraved by hand. Good job by hand, but this is the reason I bought it though. Hoi An 7273, but the saying I kind of like, and as you can see, that's what it says. Fits me to a T actually, that's why I had to have it for my collection. And what's really funny about these fake Vietnam lighters, and this is why when you look on eBay, if there's not a picture of the insert, request a picture of the insert, because a lot of them will look like this. Hand engraved, normally not very good. For best results, use Zippo flints and fluid, made in Zippo, USA. And it was not done very well. But like I said, I got this for a good price off of eBay. I always wanted one of the fake Vietnam Zippos for my collection. And now I have one. I mean, it's in really good shape actually. I don't believe it was really ever used. And it's kind of a neat little thing just to have. And I enjoy it. I really enjoy the saying on the back too. But yeah, get a good look, because if you didn't know better, you would swear that's an original bottom stamp, but it's not. You can tell that the Bradford is just a little off. I mean, they did a good job on the bottom stamp, but not great. And that's what a fake Vietnam Zippo looks like, or at least this fake Vietnam Zippo. And there are people that are being fooled, paying big money thinking they're getting an original used in Vietnam Zippo. And whether this one was or not, I was told it was used by a South Vietnamese soldier who wanted his lighter like how the US soldiers had during the war. But either way, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.